What if you never had to think about what to eat ever again? You've made 1,000 decisions today. Now you're hungry and your brain is done. So you stare at the fridge, scroll recipes, and end up ordering takeout again. The average person spends over 100 hours a year on one question: what should I make? MealThinker is an AI that thinks about food so you don't have to. Just ask, "Give me some 5-minute lunch ideas." It gives you real options based on what you actually have, not random recipes you're missing half the ingredients for. Pick one. Get the full recipe. Done. Kids want a snack? Something quick and low effort. 3 options instantly. Want a specific recipe? Just ask. I asked for vegan pancakes, made them. Actually fluffy, not the flat, sad ones you usually get with vegan recipes. The recipes are actually good. Your pantry lives in the app. Add items when you shop. It remembers everything. No more vegetables going bad because you forgot what you bought. It knows what you have and helps you use it. Need a full week planned? Just ask. It builds variety, uses what you have, and creates a shopping list for anything you're missing. Want to expand what you can cook? Ask it to add ingredients that give you more variety. It picks smart staples that unlock tons of meals. Your shopping list stays in sync with your pantry and meal plans. Run out of something? Tell it. Add it to your list, removed from your pantry, automatically. Set calorie or macro goals and track what you eat. It fills in the gaps so you stay on track without the spreadsheet. Regular AI forgets you after every conversation. MealThinker doesn't. Your diet, allergies, what you hate, set it once, it remembers forever. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, whatever you need. Stop wasting brain power on what to eat. Available on iOS, Android, and web at mealthinker.com.